Hi everyone. This is term 2 first lesson for 3D modeling cup. Mr. Fong again. Okay, what we are going to do today, the first lesson, since we start today and your Chinese New Year holiday is only 2 weeks from now, 2 weeks from now, so we can only finish two projects before Chinese New Year and you can only receive one printout before Chinese New Year. Okay, then when you come back, then we'll try to finish the second one because during Chinese New Year, I'll be on holiday. School will be on holiday for 1 week. So I won't be able to print out your second project on time. We will have to wait for a while. Okay, what are we going to do in the week? Lesson one is we are going to do something like this. Okay, so there is a bottom. This is a stand. You create a coin, something like a coin like this for your Chinese New Year decoration. Okay, this one I don't want the bottom to be these greeting words. I want it to be probably your name. So it will be meaningful. This will show it is your work. I'll print the stand as black color. Maybe your words is your name in the orange color. Then for the top, the coin, this one that looks like a coin will be printed in red color and the words will be in gold color. Okay, we try to print in gold color. Okay, how to do that? Okay, the stand, I would say if you're not the first, if you are not the one who joined in term 2, if you join in term 1, you should know how to put your name here. Okay, so what we need to do today is you need to design this something that look like a coin. Okay, I'll give you a few items in here because considering we have to finish the work in one lesson, less than 1 hour. Probably we have to finish everything in about 45 minutes. So I have to cut this for you. If not, if you have to cut yourself, it will take another 45 minutes. Okay, then we can only do one design before Chinese New Year, and you can't get anything before the New Year. Okay, which is not so good. We come back to here. It's simple, as I told you. You can put your name. You can design something extra up to you. But this is what I want you to think. Okay, I give you these few words. Okay, this one is full of prosperity. This is the Chinese. They have four words in here written in one symbol. It's 招财进宝, bringing prosperity to your home, something like that. This is a little snake because this is a year of snake. This is also prosperity, full in a round shape, but a little bit too big. You can make it smaller. I want you to design something that have the year. Yeah, you can put in something like this. You have a wishing words, greeting words if you want to. If you don't want, it's up to you because we don't have to follow this design. I would say the probably the word in the center is important. How you organize the 2025 is up to you. I don't want to fix a standard here. You just think, okay? But before that, I want to give you some idea because the word fu, if you look at Chinese character, they are symbolic, they are symbol. And you look at this Chinese word, this is one and there is like a zero here. And you look at the snake also have to just look like this word. That's why we can replace this snake like this in here. You can make it hold down the shift key, you can make it bigger, make it the same height, then it can become the word prosperity. They can represent if you want to use this design. It's just an idea. Okay, let me show you how you're going to do this. I'm not going to give you this because I want you to do the cutting yourself. So I put it aside. How to do that? Let me duplicate this one. Control D. Okay, if you're using a Windows. After that, I want you to use this one, which is a cylinder. Remember, cylinder push the sides to the maximum so that the edge will be round. Okay, if you don't push, you see the edge is not round. The side is not round enough. Okay, put to maximum. I want you to put at this side. Okay, the place you want to cut. Okay, very hard to see, right? Okay, put to transparent first. Okay, that is the simple way. Then you can zoom in using the mouse. Okay, you see. Wow, perfect. Okay, this is 20 cm. So I didn't touch the size, and you look at it, it's so perfectly. I just want to cut this side. This side. Okay. Then I need to make another one for this side. So Control D again. Okay, this one no need to be circled. Okay, no need to be circled. So what I need to do is I press F, focus. Then I can move this up a little bit. You can move this up a little bit. Important is it can cut. Look at this. It doesn't matter if we can cut again. If it's not perfect, we can cut again. This 0 0.1, remember to change to 0 0.1 so that you can use the down arrow key and see whether this one is, you see, it's not perfect. Move a little bit down, okay, further down. Okay. Right, hold down the right key, right. Okay, this one doesn't cut properly, doesn't matter because why? You look at what I'm going to do now. I'm going to put another circle here, okay, put this one edges, put the maximum. Okay, I'm going to put here. What am I going to do is this one I change to um, solid. So when I cut this, before I cut, okay, let's see, this one I no need to put so high. About the food, okay, the prosperity, you bring it up, okay, bring it up like this before you cut. Okay, so I want to cut already. Just select these three, combine. Okay, now select the food, press D donkey to drop it down, and now make it Control Z. Wrong. I select this one and make this one as O. Do you see what I'm doing now? If I combine this one now, merge, I will be able to cut this thing out properly. Correct? Okay. So now you think that if this is not perfect, you can make it perfect. Okay. So for example, I want this side to cut. I don't want this one. So I just put it here. Okay, I take this out. Uh, okay, if you can take your time, arrange this nicely before you do another merge. Okay, once you merge again, now you can see the food is already quite okay, because when you print it out, usually you won't notice this small area. Okay, I think this is not so perfect, because you can see this is not cut perfectly. You need to arrange nicely. For example, you look at this one actually cut, have a better cut. Have a better cut. This one is not perfect. So if not perfect, you have to do again to cut it, to remove it properly. You have to select again so that this dot will be removed. This is properly done. So when you place the first circle, you have to place it accurately just to make sure that it cut perfectly. Okay, this is how you cut the word. Let me delete this one. And if you've done it perfectly, properly, you can. Let me just okay, this one push to maximum, select, merge. Okay, let's say something like this. It will not be noticed easily here, because our printer is not so uh, detailed. Okay, so the next, later you can put this one somewhere in here, adjust the size. Okay, so the height of this one, let's check. Height is 3.2. Then your snake also put 3.2 so that you will have the same height. Okay, sorry, 3.2, enter. Okay, same height. If you when you put this nicely, then you can merge it together. Okay, before I forget, I duplicate this back. Okay, I merge this one. Okay, now this is one object. Then you can make it smaller. Put in the correct height. Okay, do remember when you are designing, doing this 3D modeling, the bigger it is, the better it will be when we print it out. Okay, so you adjust, you see the height, shouldn't be too high, shouldn't be too high, so you can make it slightly higher than this. This one is what is the height? 15. Let me check one more time. Height is 15. That means for this foot you can put it 17. 17. Let's just put 17, which is 2 mm higher, and then you put the 2025 if you want it to be there. If you want it at the bottom, put it here, and you can actually add in some decoration. Decoration, do not use something that is sharp, because you know the printer will not be able to print something very small, and then your whole design, what is the size, is only 99 mm, that means 10 cm, 10 cm only, not very big, but good enough. Okay, if you print too big, it will take too long, and we will have a problem to finish printing for all of you on time. Okay, so this is my suggestion. You can use this one. Okay, not bad. How about this design? Okay, okay. Again, Control D. Let me make a copy here. This is for those. Let's say you're not so good at here, but or you prefer this round circle. Okay, this is because as I say, I don't have a fixed rule uh, in your design. You use your own idea. So if you want to cut, okay, this is easy to cut. Then for the snake, just duplicate, bring it down. Okay. Okay, then you can merge this together to become the food for year 2025. After that, you just need to make it smaller. But again, as I said before, is try to, when you come to here, you can bring it up to height maybe 17. You see, okay, I leave it to you how you want to design this. You try to keep the thing big, as I mentioned. Think about it, okay, yourself. Think about it yourself. Think about yourself. Um, if you design like this, there will be some empty area. Okay, don't leave the area too empty. So you can do some design. For example, I would recommend maybe this one or this one. So what I'm trying to say is, if you want to have the gold colored dots, then you can create like this ball. Of course, this is too big, not suitable. Ah, so you can have something like this. After that, hold on the shoe. Okay, it depends on how your 2025, how you place the 2025. After that, you can put something beside this to decorate. You can add some shape, up to you. Okay, give you some idea. Round dot only. Okay, just my suggestion. Um, so placing your name. Okay, this one shouldn't be a problem. Um, so for example, if I type it out in English, okay, again you can choose different fonts. Okay, so turn 90 degree. Okay, then remember is not okay. Have to put on the floor. Press D. After that, hold down the shift key. You make it small. Then you bring it out a little bit using the key on your keyboard. Okay, so choose a correct size. It shouldn't come out from the top, so it should not come out from here. So you can place something here. You can move up a little bit if you want to, if you don't want to be exactly on the floor. So this is the you can put in Chinese word or your name in other language like Korean, or um, if you have foreign, you should know how to do foreign input. If not sure, you just ask. Okay, you can find online fonts. After that, what you need to do is come to go back to the fonts, and then select multi-language, so that whatever fonts you can search online, just copy and paste inside here. It will be able to support that word. Okay, so this is what, after you complete, remember as usual, put your name, okay, before you export out. I need you to export two items. First is this one, export one time. Second, okay, move a little bit to the left. You select this one, you export again. Okay, so when you submit two files. One is this stand, another one is your design. As I told you, stand will be printed out in black, or your name will be in orange. Then this one will be in red, plus the words will be in gold. Okay, so we will print in four different colors. Okay, that's all for this lesson. I know this lesson we have a few new students, so I will guide the new student. You all can see the previous video in our blackboard also. If you are not sure, then you have to go through all those videos first. Okay, that's all for this lesson. Thank you.